Okay, so Rivian stock prediction. Will Rivian hit $25 or will it go all the way back down to 10? Well, it looks like the market wants to go higher and it could potentially run to 25, maybe 20, maybe even 19, because we got areas on this chart for Rivian that would substantiate that this is where sellers are. Welcome everyone to the channel. We already did a price prediction in Rivian, so you guys shouldn't be surprised that the market in Rivian on this particular day, the 3rd of January, ended up 25%. Very good move on that particular day for Rivian. 0.91% was already hit a couple of days after we did the price prediction, so it's very good for us to see that play out. Now let's get rid of these pockets of selling here in the market in Rivian, because it did not impact the buyers. The buyers wanted it more in those pockets than the sellers were willing to sell. So that is why price in Rivian broke out. So now we're going to go ahead and create another pocket right there for Rivian. Let's look at this on the 330. Okay, so all in all, the market is still bullish. Okay, so we're still anticipating that Rivian wants to go higher. You guys can see that we got the price bar spread as well as this monumental climactic volume. So now, are we aiming for $19 in Rivian? The last time we saw price hit that was back in July of 2024. Okay, so yes, Rivian is trending higher. Rivian is bullish. Everything is leaning more towards price continuing to go up. Real simple, right? Now let's go ahead and look at this on a different time frame. So let's take a look at Rivian on the 2. Very good price bar spread on the 2. Here it is on the 3. 3 looks pretty good as well. 7 hours and 9 minutes left currently on the 3. But again, the market is bullish. Here it is on the 4. Looks great there too. Here it is on the 5. The weekly chart. Here's Rivian on the 2 weeks. Still looks bullish. Here's Rivian on the 3. Bullish there too. Here it is on the 5. Bullish there too. And here it is for the month of January, the beginning of January. So now let's get back to what could potentially impact this move though. And you guys can see where price is right now. We're at a pocket. Okay. Now what does it mean? Well, it means that we can see increased volatility for one. And then two, it could mean that price could go down because this was the last point that the market in Rivian collapsed back here in July 31st, 2024. The next day on August the 1st, the market ended down 7%. So there's some people here selling the stock there. All right. So the buyers are now knocking on the door of those sellers. They're like, look, we're here. We're willing to buy some more of your stock if you're willing to sell it at this price. And if the buyers really want to lift price higher from that pocket, then the market won't go that low. But if we get a quick reaction in this pocket right now in Rivian, i.e. see the market trade up here, then immediately become all the way down to $15 to $14, then that tells you that the buyers didn't want it. They were not willing to buy the stock there. Okay. So let's go ahead and continue to expect price in Rivian to be bullish though. We're going to look for the market to go up. Albeit we need to be cautious and careful because we are in a pocket. So we're going to aim for like $19 in Rivian. It could go a lot higher, but given these two pockets are in the way, we're not going to try to be exceedingly bullish like that. Not yet. So these will be our targets. If you see the market in Rivian having problems right here, then you may want to take some off the table and just be happy with what you got, because you already know what happened the last time back in July. Okay, so this is where we're at right now though. Let me go ahead and move this up a little bit. Okay, so we'll keep it just like that. So don't be surprised. Don't get caught off guard if you see the market initial reaction in this pocket become weak and price go down. That's kind of what we need to expect, seeing that the market is currently there. All right, I'm done. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.